it is. It's a trike, guys. It's an E-Trike from Addmotor. Right now we're charging the bike a little bit so we can test ride it to see how fast it'll go. But so far, I really like the build quality. Looks mean and beefy. Usually trikes are much longer. This one's a little bit shorter. So it'll be perfect for my truck whenever I load it up. Oh, 32 hours. Next, we're gonna put the trike onto the bed to see it will fit. Sang's here, he's gonna help me load the trike. Let's go.
All right, get as straight as you can. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Okay, hold on, let's get up. You are in. Oh yeah, it has to stay down. So let's just say we lock the brakes.
And then put a strap over you did.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Strap the frame in the middle. Another strap.
Yeah, the only thing you gotta worry about is this, yeah? And then, yeah, I would like somehow just put the net, or not the net, but strap the net.
No, so we can do one over here, around the frame over here. Then another one from here.
Yeah, fuck, just keep the wheel straight here. Actually, alright. Okay. And for honestly, these wheels are so big, you could just kind of like ride it off. Alright. And I got it. How much is this? Okay.
Not bad, huh?
It's very light.
All right, next we're gonna install the front basket. Next will be the front headlight right here. All right, next we're gonna be installing mirrors. Let me start off by saying thank you for a well thought out design. It is a truly functional and pleasing machine. The Grandtan Plus came mostly assembled and ready to use. It is well built and has a lot of power. I'm about 6 foot, 200 pounds, and I was able to cruise around 19 to 21 miles per hour easily. There's a lot of hills where I live, and the trike didn't struggle at all. It came with a bunch of accessories that I have not used yet, but nice to have. Since the max load capacity is up to 450 pounds, I do plan on modding the trike so I can have Sheila and Sydney ride with me. Stay tuned for that video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.